TV makes it what you from. The worst YouTube channel in all history.
Okay, that's enough. 2, 1, go.
What's up, suckers?
Okay.
The bankers in the lion's den were chopping lines like beggars in the snow.
What's your name?
Yeah. Partner, you want to see the product?
When he talking?
My name is Jeff.
Alright, we're like 5 seconds in and I'm already dead. They're so far ahead. Literally dying out here. This is kind of a cool view. I don't even know. Tree.
I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt.
Look, there's more trees. I'm triggered, but this is a good view.
How are you enjoying yourself so far?
No, I'm dying. Akbar!
Hey.
Hey!
My name is Jeff.
Look at that! Everyone else took the shortcut.
I'm taking it all in. I want to take the log path
Then why are you walking so slow?
because I want to enjoy nature.
Why are you walking so fast now, huh? Huh? Yeah.
Dinner right now.
There's literally nothing special about this.
Oh, no, let's go to the other riverbank.
Have y'all never seen nature before in your life?
Oh, it's gonna fly away before you press record.
Oh, look at that. Flash your wings again. Whoa! Yes!
I have bad vision.
There is a hole in the ground and we call it a cave. Yeah? This is great. Said no one ever. There's literally nobody in front of me. I think they've lost me. And I'm really, really hungry. And I'm dying.